everyone, and happy Sunday. This is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our July subscription box. And I'm super excited because I'm absolutely in love with the subscription box that we did, and I hope that you all enjoy it too. If you're new to our channel, we are a planner sticker company, so we sell stickers for different types of planners to help you basically be more functional with your plans, and also to add some like joy and brightness and sparkles to your plans as well. So without any further ado, I'm going to jump into July's sub box. So the first thing that you can see is that there's some cardstock paper right here, and it shows like a scene, and I really like this scene. It's pretty cool. It's like houses that are right up next to each other with the street lamps that are on. So I'm going to pull everything out and show you. So first, when you flip this over, it will have kind of like our newsletter, I suppose, for the month for everyone. So it says, "Summer greetings from DEK Designs. As the sunny days of July approach, we are delighted to share the exciting contents of this month's subscription box with you. Get ready to indulge in a selection of stationery items handmade especially for you. This month's bonus item is a chiffon," I hope I'm saying that correctly, "a chiffon bow clip. As always, we value your feedback and suggestions. Your input helps us improve our selection and tailor it to your preferences. Please feel free to contact us by email at customerservice@dekdesigns.com. We are here to assist you and ensure your utmost satisfaction. Don't forget to capture your unboxing moments and share them with us on social media using hashtag DEK Designs. We love seeing how our products brighten up your day and planner. Wishing you a fantastic summer filled with memorable moments. Stay tuned for next month's subscription, which promises to be even more remarkable." And then we have below our links to the papers that you can print out if you want to use that in your planner as well. And also, what's really nice about this is that you can use the newsletter that we send out on the back side of it with the design or with the scene on it in your spreads, and tear it up if you want, or just kind of put it in your planner. It's up to you. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. I'm gonna show what else we have. So we have our bonus stickers, our monthly stickers, and then the main sticker kit. We have the die cut stickers, the bow, which is the bonus for this month, our 3 washi tape, and our sticky notes. So first I'm going to show you our sticky notes. I love the floral aspect of it and the color as well. So cute. And then next I'm going to show you our washi tape. This is probably my favorite washi tape that we've had in a while. I just love how the silver hollow-ish sparkle bounces off of the colors of these washi, these blue colors. It just matches really well with it. So the first one, we have a foiled bow with an ombre purple / pink / blue color for this first one. And the second one, we have that purpley pink floral color in the background, and then the washi has a flower, it's like a flower, 2 flowers on it. And then our last washi is the thinner one that has the blue background and then the foiled bow on it. Next, I'm going to show you this really cute paper clip. I love it. I love the little, like, the edges of it. It's really cute. And also, you can use the backer as well if you wanted to upcycle and put it in your planner somehow. And then this color matches really well with the kit too. It's kind of like a purpley blue color. Then we're going to jump into the die cuts. So first we have our calendar month, and it has like a gloss on top of it with some sparkles. So it's even a little bit more durable because it's thicker because of that. So you could use that on your monthly overview page if you wanted to. Oh, this is cute. And then we have some iced coffee because you know it's not summer without iced coffee. This says Boss Coffee on it. This yummy looking pie or a cake, strawberry cake. A wicker purse, that blue bow on it. And then a camera which has some photos underneath it that reflect the scenes of the kit. And of course, cameras are such a summery thing because you want to capture all the moments. Oh, this is cute. We have some journals / planners that are stacked. Love it. And then another floral die cut. This is pretty big. I like it. And there's some lemons on it. And we have some July script in the silver sparkle foil. And then lastly, your heart, date dots, and a couple of weekend script on there. So those are the die cuts that are included. Next, I'm going to go through our bonus stickers with you that we have. So kind of like the journal stickers. I just love the colors in this kit. It screams summer, cool summer. So we have like the edges, the journal page edges that you can use, some splotches, some coffee rim / watercolor splashes on this first page. And then after that, we have your Monday through Sunday script with the backers that you can use on that with the swatches, and then some geometrical shapes with the patterns on that. And then lastly, we have some July holidays off to the side here, some holidays / wacky holidays. And then over here, we have some more layering pieces that you can use with some doodles as well. So that's the extra, the journal kit / extra sticker. Now I'm going to show you the monthly kit for July. Okay, so first we have the clear sticker that goes with the monthly, and it's in the silver sparkle foil. So you have the July script with 2023 and some cute fireworks over here. And then below that we have the script that you'd want for the monthly section. So bill due, payday, rent, mortgage, stuff like that you want to keep track of. And then this is the first sheet where you have your header for Sunday through Saturday, and some functional boxes down here and flags that you can use. And the scene is like off by the pool kind of thing, and you have those flowers below that too. Next sheet has some boxes / a large rectangular scene / box. So this is like another at the pool. We have some seats you can sit at, and then over here some boxes with the patterns that you can use. And then lastly, we have your date flags for the month, your script currently reading, watching, and listening for that month, some cute laundry hangers, shopping, takeout food, appointment, doctor visits, birthdays, and then some corner edges that you can also utilize for layering, and more functional boxes at the bottom. So this is the July monthly that comes with the subscription box. And lastly, I'm going to show you our main kit. Okay, so first we have our full boxes, and some of this is reminiscent of what we were looking at earlier, so it's all very cohesive. So we have that scene over there with the seats next to the poolside, that strawberry cake, and over here it's like an open journal with the journaling edges on it, which is pretty cool, and a swimsuit and maybe a book that you'd be reading. That yummy looking coffee with the journals in the background, the swimming pool scene with some twinkly hanging foil lights above that. And then lastly, we have some more like a planner with, it looks like a treat off to the side and a drink. Then we have our next sheet of full boxes. So we have some more treats up here. It looks like a lemonade and then a frappuccino and cookie tin and another journal. Oh, this dress is super cute. This is like very summery dress. And we have some tea, and if you look closely, you can see that there's like a foiled lemon wedge in the tea. So that's cute. And then a planner over here with some fancy looking planner markers. Below that, some watercolor. That looks fun. Another scene, this looks like kind of like a courtyard with the water fountain. And I forget what these are called, like those motorcycles that you see a lot in Europe. And then I love the building in the background, how it's arched. It's very like, it reminds me of like Greece architecture or something like that. And then all this is cute. We have like a newspaper and it says stickers and plans on top of that. And then a priority mailer behind that and some flowers. Love. Next, we have our 3 bow checklist / 3 heart checklist. So we have the boxes and then the list right there. Then we have our flags at the top, our scalloped half circles, and some layering pieces down there and short washi strips you can use. Then we have our bow checkered headers over here and weekend script banner backer and some icons off to the side that are useful for like YouTube, messaging, Instagram, social media, stuff like that. And at the bottom we have some headers like appointment, shopping list, canceled. Then we have some more headers to do today, next week, this week, work, exercise, and glitter headers below that. Then we have some more functional boxes. You have 2 Monday through Sundays if you're wanting to track something like your total steps or exercise or meals if you want. And we have some boxes over here that have foiled planners on it. And then below some rectangular boxes and square boxes in the middle with that foil on it. Then we have Monday through Sundays for 4 weeks with different backgrounds that you can choose for each week of the month. Then we have sticky notes and some cute looking flowerish circle boxes. Another functional sheet with the rectangular boxes / the rectangular oval boxes. Another functional sheet, but we have the different papers in the background for that. And then at the top we have some habit trackers that has Monday through Sunday on it, so you can kind of check mark as you go throughout the week. Next, we have the fashion girls that go with this kit. I love their outfits, the blue and the white. Matches really well with this kit. And the deco sheet, which has those elements that we saw in the kit. I really like these plates that they have with the different, like the tea and croissants or the pizza and lemonade. Yum. And lastly, we have fashion girl boxes with the different scenes in the backgrounds. So this is everything that comes in our July subscription box. It's a ton of stickers. It's a really great value and deal. And we're going to have our overstock of July subscription boxes available in our shop today, Sunday at noon. So if you like this kit and what you see and you want to snag one, make sure to stop at our website and grab one because we do only have limited quantities of overstock for this. And if you love planning, love stationery, washi, stickers, make sure to follow our YouTube and our Instagram account to stay up to date with the different things that are going on in our shop, and also to get some ideas for things that you can use in your planner. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this unboxing. We appreciate you. Make sure to comment below if you have any thoughts about our subscription or any questions, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.